Okay, next one. I'm gonna give you an example and which tell you how can we determine independent variable and dependent variable when we try to study the relationship between two variables. Now look at the example. An educator wanted to study the relationship between x. What is x? X is a number of hours spent in the preparation of exam, and y, the exam score. Some of the related information of her students in the class recorded in the following table. Now, look at the four students: Fred, John, Peter, Mary. Okay, Fred, John, Peter, and Mary. Let's first look at what? Let's look at Fred. Okay, let's look at Fred. How many hours in preparation for the exam? Well, Fred spent what? 60 hours. And what is the outcome? Well, the outcome is what? Well, he made what? 95% as his exam scores. And how about John? John spent 20 hours in preparation, and his final exam score, his score is 90%. How about Peter? Peter only spent 1 hour, so Peter got what? 38%. And Mary spent 43 hours, Mary got what? 80%. Look at here. X hours spent in preparation, Y the exam percentage. Okay, now which one is the outcome of the study? Well, of course, we use what? The exam score to measure the outcome of study. So Y is what? Y is the response variable. Response variable, remember, response variable is used to measure the outcome of a study. And X is explanatory variable, or you can say independent variable. Independent variable or explanatory variable, it explains or causes change in response variable. So in our case, X is independent variable, or you call explanatory variable. Y is a dependent variable, or you can also say this is what? Response variable. Okay? Now, if we take a close look about this table, people find something funny here. Look at here. Fred spent 60 hours in preparation. However, John only spent 20 hours. But the difference, the Fred spent almost what? 3 times what? 3 times the amount of time that John in preparation. That John spent in his preparation for the exam. However, Fred only get what? 5% more than what John did. So, what explains this difference? Well, we can say I. What is I? Well, I is what? IQ. Okay, I is IQ. Intelligent quotient. This is a measurement. Measure how smart is a person or how brilliant is a selected person. Now, Fred IQ is only 90, but John is what? 140. This one explains although Fred what? Spends 3 times more than what? John's study times. But what Fred earned is not 3 times more than what John earned. Okay? And the reason is because what? IQ. The reason is because IQ. Okay? Now, in this case, IQ score, okay, is what we call a lurking variable. IQ score is called a lurking variable, okay? IQ score is a lurking variable. A lurking variable is a variable that is not among the explanatory variable or response variable in a study, and yet may influence the interpretation of response, the relationship among what? Those variables. I is a lurking variable in what? In the above study, okay?